Robbie Rivet here, Rust Monkey Garage, coming to you from the wild blue yonder. Anyway, today's thing is I'm going to flip you around and it's a compressor. It's a compressor was built real slow, and every once in a while it blows off really hard. And I'm going to go through and I'm going to show you what the problems were. And this is Robbie Rivet, Rust Monkey Garage. Hold please. So anyway, we got our cat. Now this is the Truflow air compressor, and on top here there's like a butterfly. It looks like a butterfly valve right there, and this is what they call a compressor unloader. Now the problem with this one is this gasket was cracked and the air leaks out this hole, but you can only hear it when the engine, you can't hear it because the engine's running. It only leaks when the engine's running. So you'll never find it. Anyway, so I know that. And anyway, there's two little bobber valves. The air goes to that and pushes that down, which turns the air compressor off. But because the air couldn't get it, the air compressor was building air all the time, and it was blowing off the safety blow-off valve. It's not here, so it's down on a tank. So yeah, there's usually a safety blow-off valve right in this hole. And if you ever got to air your truck up, you can put take this fitting out and put your 1/2-inch air chuck on. You can air up the truck that way. There's a trick you can do with the governor. But so I'm going to put you down and clean this shit up and get back to you. Hold please. It's Truflow, I just call it Truflow 550 compressor unloader kit. There's your part number there. So if you want to look that up, you're stuck on the side of the road, your unit won't build air. It's probably one of the part numbers you need. Right here. Okay, this is a compressor unloader. It's a butterfly. This bolt here is a long one. This 9/16 one, it's long. These ones are just short. And the two little bobbers are in there, and I can't see because my phone's so cracked. Anyway, these two little bobbers, the air comes in and pushes them bobbers down, which turns your air compressor off. Otherwise, your air compressor is always running. So now we're going to move to the governor, and I'm kind of going to show you how and explain how that works. All right, bye. All right, we're over here, Rust Monkey Garage. Yeah, this is your D2 governor, and this controls the compressor unloader, which I just did. And I'm going to show you the trick with this one. Now you see how he's sitting there, right? Now what it is the air compressor will build. If I start them up right now, it'll start building air, and the air goes down there to the pipe to the air tank. Now what happens is the guys will take the lines off and mix them up. Now what it is the back one is this one here at the back side off the center. This one that goes right to this middle, that's your supply. So you start them up, and whatever one starts leaking air, that's where that goes to. And then when it gets to 120 psi, it puts air through this hole right here, and that goes to the compressor unloader and turns the air compressor off. So I'll put you down and hold and get her done. Probably over here at Rust Monkey Garage. Quick lesson on governors. This knob here, it'll come off, and there's a spring in the flat screw. Turn them in to turn the pressure up, back it off, turn the pressure down. They're usually set at 135 these days. So anyway, that's your in from the air tank. That's your out from the thing. This goes down to your air dryer, this line. If you have to, the one back here, that right there, that one there, you put your little air fitting into, or you can put an air chuck to it and you can air your truck up through that one. Sometimes on the exhaust port, which is right there, they'll have a third line that goes down to the blow-off tank at the, they have a wet tank automatic drain valve, and that's where that one goes, and because it just spits out a little bit of air and it stops like that. So I'm going to start them up and we're going to check our work, and hold please. Going up. So this is a build air test, they call this, and the low air buzzer should go off between, well, you 60, 80, some are 90 now. But 60 pounds, the low air buzzer should be working. I don't know what's going on here. The wires are so messed up in this truck. Alright, 90 to 120 in 2 minutes. So we're at 42 seconds now. Seconds. Something's going on down there. I hear that. Guys, we're underneath here. Cheesy fucking air dryer. Now they got a safety blow off stuck in the side of the dryer. I don't know what the fuck it's soaked with this fucking hole. Anyway, yeah, blowing off there. Holy fuck. Sorry about the shitty shot, but the sun's shining in my eyes here. Where is he? There he is. All right. Get ready for the noise! Ah! Woo! See the smoke? Pressure differential ratio. Look that one up. Huh. Alright, round two. Look at that, it held its air, eh? So anyway, fire in the hole. Yeah, it's got a China air dryer on it, and they're so junk. If you're gonna buy air dryer, don't get it from China. Mexico, they know how to build them in Mexico. Don't be cheapskate. Fuck, buy the good one. He needs air dryer. The air dryer is just soaked in oil. It's just leaking oil so bad. Oh, look at how sexy that moving now, eh? Alright. Blows off, the air dryer doesn't fuck up. I don't have time today to do air dryer. Fuck, that's 4 or 5 hours. Oh, there we go. 120. Look at her build. Wow, eh? Yeah, the governors today are set at about 130, 135, so if it goes high, don't be alarmed. The newer trucks, they have smaller air compressors, and they think that a bigger air tank and more pressure will help you. Look at that, eh? 135 right on the nose. Drop a bit, quick. There's our bleed off pressure, then it should stop right there. Still got all our warning lights. I don't know what these lights are even for. You know what they're for? I don't. Anyway, so yeah, so she seems to be. Let's give her another test. we're trying to find air leaks. Why does the truck leak so much air? We're just sitting and you can't find an air leak anywhere. This truck's old, man. It's 91. 91! Wow. Yeah, that was the original unloader inside there. But look at that, eh? Shut them off and we'll listen for air leaks. And I'm going to get a coffee and we'll see how much he leaks down. Alright, rubber rivet out.